Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a Site123 website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the Site123 website editor. In the Site123 editor, click on the Add a New Section button, wherever you wish to add the widget. On the left panel, select Text, and then add a content page. Now, click on Edit, to edit the section you've added. You can delete the text from the section or leave it, as you wish. In the Text Options menu, click on the Custom Code button, and you'll see that an HTML block was added. Click on the Change button of the HTML block. In the window that opens, simply add the widget code you've copied before, and click on Update. Click on the Save button to save the changes. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.